Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the First Bank of Owasso app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. First Bank of Owasso is a mobile banking app designed to help users securely manage their accounts from anywhere. It allows customers to check balances, view recent transactions, transfer money between accounts, pay bills, and set up alerts for account activity. It's available on both iOS and Android and supports features like mobile check deposit and secure login options offered by the bank. The app's main feature is mobile banking access. Users can quickly review account information, manage payments, and deposit checks using their phone's camera. It also helps track spending, organize transactions, and stay updated on account changes through customized notifications. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its clean interface, reliable performance, and essential banking tools that make day-to-day money management easier. The mobile deposit feature and real-time alerts are especially valued by customers who prefer quick access without visiting a branch. However, there are some drawbacks. Certain advanced banking services may still require in-person visits, and mobile deposit limits can vary by account. Some users also mention occasional login issues or maintenance downtimes. In addition, features like external transfers or card controls may depend on individual account eligibility. In summary, the First Bank of Owasso app may be worth using if you want secure mobile banking access, reliable check deposits, and convenient account management on the go. However, if you need more advanced financial tools or depend heavily on expanded digital features, it might feel limited compared to larger bank apps. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.